Hi guys, Jenny here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be making a Dulce De Leche. It looks like caramel but it's not your typical caramel with the white sugar and cream. It is cooked differently and tastes absolutely different, but it's also very good. You can use it to top on your pancakes, vanilla ice cream, or just eat it as it is. It is actually not very hard to make, it's just longer than your usual caramel. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. The main ingredient of Dulce De Leche is a can of condensed milk. I'm making 2 cans today and you want to remove the wrappings around the can because you don't really need them. And then put the cans in a deep pot and fill it with water. Just make sure that the water level is at least 2 inches above the can. So that means that your pot has to be deep enough. And I like to keep the cans lying on their side so they don't jump in the pot while boiling and makes annoying noises. So all that's left to do is to bring them to a boil and then turn the heat down so you just have a nice gentle simmer. Just simmer these cans for about 3 hours. The longer you cook them, the more golden they turn out. And I like them really brown and golden, so I cook them for about 3 hours. I put on a lid but not cover the pot completely. Now set a timer and check them every 30 minutes. The water evaporating means that you'll have to add hot water once in a while to keep the water level on top of the cans. Do not ever forget this step. If the water goes lower than the can can actually explode. We don't really want them exploding, do we? And that is basically the process of making Dulce De Leche. Check it every 30 minutes and add hot water as needed. That means that you'll have to have a ready hot water waiting. You don't want to add cold water in there because it will stop the water from simmering and not cook the Dulce De Leche in time. After about 3 hours of simmering, turn it off the heat and remove from the pot. Let it cool completely before opening. It can take a few hours. Do not in any way try to open a hot can of Dulce De Leche because the hot caramel can spit out because of all the pressure inside. And the last thing you want is to burn yourself, so just be patient. And that's it guys, after several hours of patiently waiting, you now have this brown golden Dulce De Leche that you can add to your desserts. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!